Hey guys, so basically I finished unboxing the TR Racing V3 gaming chair. My first thoughts on the chair is that it's really sturdy, the backrest is really comfortable, but it could be a little bit too far from the work table or the work desk. I would need to lean forward and actually sit straight again in order to do my work. So that's a little bit of a letdown for me because I'm generally the kind of person who likes to sit up straight. But if you're the kind of person who leans back to do your work, then I think it's fine. The material is made out of PU leather, and from what my friends have told me about this chair, the PU leather tends to peel off easily, especially if you're sitting in a hot environment and you start to get sweaty. So that might be something to look out for. I generally tend to turn on the AC the whole day, so for me it doesn't really affect me as much. So if you're the kind of person who doesn't use the AC much, maybe you would need to reconsider what material of the chair you would like to select, because this chair also comes in the fabric material. The fabric material is generally cooler and is more suitable for use in a hot environment as the fabric is able to breathe easier. So some of the features of this chair is that it has a padded armrest, which I really like, because previously I was using the IKEA Renberget, which had no padding whatsoever, and the backrest compared to IKEA Renberget is actually more ergonomic in my opinion. So the IKEA Renberget is a typical office chair with a straight backrest, and the padding on the bottom cushion is actually really thin, so that actually gave me a lot of butt pain and back pain. But other than that, I would say it was quite an okay chair if you're starting out with a lower budget. As I just turn around, you can actually see that the chair is pretty nice, and then when you lean back, this is how it looks like. Yeah. So it has typical features of any chair that you use in the office. You can adjust the height of the seat. Another function of this chair is that it has a knob at the bottom which allows you to adjust the intensity of the lean back function, and it doesn't recline all the way to a lying position, but for me it's fine because I don't really use the chair to lie down. I just don't feel it's really safe and sturdy enough to do that. What I really like about this chair compared to my previous chair, which is the IKEA Renberget, is the bottom cushion is really thick, and that actually hasn't given me any butt pain whatsoever, which is really nice, and I really appreciate that. When I'm using it for work, I would just lean back, and sometimes I would need to sit up straight in order to focus, right? But so far it hasn't really impacted me adversely, so I don't really mind. A lot of y'all tend to fold your legs when you sit, and the answer is pretty much yes, you can. And oh look, here's my dog. This Teddy, guys. Yeah, Teddy likes the chair too. Okay, so basically I would say that this chair is a pretty good choice if you have a budget and you want to upgrade your chair during this work from home season. I would give this chair 4 out of 5 stars. That's because I don't really have that much experience with chairs, so I don't really know how the higher end models feel like, but for me it fulfills most of my needs, so that's good enough for me. Yeah. So I'm gonna put Teddy down. Okay, to be honest, not gonna lie, I didn't read the manual. I usually don't. So that's maybe just an engineering thing that I like to do, figure stuff out on my own. Anyhow, I say installation isn't too difficult, but it wasn't really easy either. It was kind of painful using the Allen key, and I would strongly suggest that you use a screwdriver. That will make your life much easier. So that's all from me, and if you'd like to know more about this chair or if any questions, you can just drop your comments in the section below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll try to come up with more content that is beneficial to all of you. So that's all from me, and until next time.